This is Radio Sadaye Hurriyet Jammu Kashmir. I am Ibn Salam with Kashmir Update. The Kashmiri people and their leadership have expressed satisfaction over the statement of the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Imran Khan, wherein he said that Pakistan will not hold any talks with India till the withdrawal of measures taken on and after August 5, 2019. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Tehreek-e-Wahdat-e-Islami and other Hurriyat organizations in their statements issued in Srinagar have expressed satisfaction over Prime Minister's determination and said that the Kashmiris were confident that Pakistan will remain firm on their back. In a special message yesterday, Imran Khan said that talks with India could take place only if it withdraws the forcible annexation of its illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, restores and recognizes its special and disputed status. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference Working Vice Chairman Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar has expressed deep concern over the incessant upsurge in the killing spree by India and Israel in the illegally occupied territories of Kashmir and Palestine. Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar, in a statement in Srinagar, said, when the Muslim Ummah is preparing to celebrate the holy festival of Eid al-Fitr, the subjugated people of Kashmir and Palestine are burying the dead bodies of their dear ones in the graveyards for demanding restoration of their basic rights. He urged the OIC to rise to the occasion and overcome the challenges ahead, including ensuring the early resolution of Kashmir and Palestine disputes. Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar also expressed concern over the deteriorating health of dozens of senior Hurriyat leaders and activists languishing in different jails of India and Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. He urged the United Nations and World Human Rights Organizations to impress upon India to release the incarcerated Kashmiri leaders to save their lives. Meanwhile, an official handout released by the authorities says that at least 23 prisoners are COVID positive and 219 inmates are under quarantine across prisons of the occupied territory. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference Provincial President for Jammu, Mir Shahid Salim, in a press release issued in Jammu, urged the world community to take serious note of the Indian fascist behavior, which has caused a grave threat to the life, property and honour of the people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. On the other hand, people took out a protest rally in Batamalu area of Srinagar last night against the killing of 3 youth by Indian troops in Islamabad district. One of the slain youth hailed from Batamalu. The protesters raised high-pitched and pro-freedom slogans. They also offered funeral parades in absentia for the martyred youth. Delegations of Jammu and Kashmir People's League and Jammu and Kashmir Political Resistance Movement visited Kokarnag in Islamabad and Batamalu to pay homage to the martyrs. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference General Secretary Maulvi Bashir Ahmed and Hurriyat leaders Ghulam Muhammad Khan Sopori and Abdul Samad Inqalabi in their statements extended Eid greetings to the Muslim Ummah in general and the Kashmiri people in particular. They appealed to the people to celebrate the Eid with austerity and share the joys of this auspicious occasion with the families of martyred and illegally detained Kashmiris as well as needy and destitute people. And this is for now. Have a good night and keep listening Radio Sadaye Hurriyet Jammu Kashmir.